This fine day, deep in the heart of Vanthara, we saw a glimpse of someone watching, someone waiting, probably hidden between the branches, silent, calculating. We hear the whisper of the wind, but this figure moves like a shadow. Each step is measured, deliberate, yet silent. No rustle, no crack. Only the gentle shift of leaves marks his passing. Not a sound betrays his presence. Only those eyes give him away. Then, a shift, barely perceptible. A flicker of movement, there and gone in an instant. A slow, deliberate exhale. The silence deepens, and then, without warning, he moves. So fluid, so seamless that the movement of this clouded leopard blends into the space itself. And then we see him do what most cats wouldn't dare. Climb down head first. He does not fear heights. He commands them. With flexible ankles and claws like grappling hooks, he proves to be an exception. And in an instant, he disappears, gone like a ghost, leaving only the memory of his movement in the trees. This is what mimicking the wild brings. A moment of natural instinct. A moment we are too lucky to witness.